Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a TikTok camera lag. To know how to fix or solve TikTok camera lag, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click. You'll find it here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Here we go to Play Store. You will click uninstall and you can wait a moment to install again your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.